Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Place. I'm going to do a quick haul for you today from Kroger's and Aldi's. I spent less than $65 and I did pretty good. So let me show you what I got. The table is split. So this is Aldi's and this is Kroger's. And here's my Aldi's receipt. $30.40. And my Kroger receipt is $35.88. But it's actually less than that because my download, I just noticed my download did not come off, which was $2. This Hormel Completes. It was a free download, that free Friday thing. So it didn't come off my receipt. I have to go back and get my $2. So anyway, that's that. And I have from Aldi these tortilla chips and have some wavy potato chips. The tortilla chips I'm going to be using for when we do tacos. My son likes to eat tortilla chips with his. I have some confectioner sugar. I use that with my cakes. Got regular sugar. Use that for cake and Kool-Aid and other things. 2% milk, still 99 cents. These were $1.99. Asparagus was like $2.69. Got some green grapes. These have been so good this season. The butter was like $2.63. Evaporated milk. Use that in my cakes. Cream of chicken. I got one green bean. I shouldn't have gotten that. I don't know why I got it there, but I did. So I have an extra. Got some bacon. And got some country style pork ribs. They were just $3.86. So I'll put those in my power cooker and cook that for me and my son for dinner and have some chicken or something for my husband. I got 3 of these pure ground turkey rolls. And so that was from Aldi. And then from Kroger's, I got the sharp cheddar cheese. I had a coupon for that. It was like 85 cents off of 2. So I got an Italian style. And this is really good. I like that. And the sharp cheddar. Got a Big K, they're 79 cents. Got a skillet meals. I'm going to be doing these probably on Tuesday night, Bible study night. Because for some reason, cooking and stuff always runs me late. So, but this is good. These are really good. The stroganoffs, really good. They were just $1. Got some grits. I usually get the Kroger brand, but this is all they had today. So I got that. And Kroger comes out better to me than this. I've used Kroger brand for a long time, and I found that they're actually just as good, if not better, than the brand name. So I got some mac and cheese, 2 of these. I got some turkey tails. I'm making pinto beans next week, so I'll be using the turkey tail for seasoning. Got some broccoli florets. Got some Eckrich turkey sausage. Got some ground turkey, green onion. And here's a 4-pack of green beans. These were only $1.99. So that's one reason why I shouldn't have got the other ones. But it's all good. Have extra. So those are the cut green beans. 4 cans for $1.99. It's a real good price. Some golden sweet corn and some cream style corn. I'm going to make, I forget what you call it, but I mix these 2 together and season them with almost like a spice and cinnamon and stuff like that. And I have 2 taco seasoning packs. They're like 49 cents each. The imitation vanilla flavor. I use this. This works well, you guys. Some people swear by the pure vanilla, but this is good and it's not expensive at all. Imitation almond. Got some bananas. The bread was on sale for $1, so I tried the buttermilk bread this time. See what it tastes like. And like I said, this was $2, but I have to go back and get my $2 off. And then I tried one of these Salisbury steak just for like when my son gets home and he's starving or whatever, and I don't have anything cooked yet or what have you. So that'll be, it was just $1 for that too. It was on sale. So that is my haul for this week. And I have a tip for you. When you go to the grocery store and you have more than one grocery store to go to, instead of going to one and leaving your groceries in the car to get hot or either coming way back home, bringing them home, take coolers with you. And I do that a lot. Take coolers, you know, the big coolers you can keep your drinks in for vacation or whatever. Bring those. We have a big one. I don't know how many gallons it is or whatever, but it's huge. It's like a suitcase size. And that way I can go 2, 3 grocery stores. I put my, now your ice cream, of course, probably would not keep if you go from store to store. Get your ice cream last. But if you have things to keep cold, like your eggs, some meats, you know, different things like that, butter, margarine, what have you, keep it in the cooler and it stays cold until you get home. All right, so I will see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed that haul. You guys take care and be blessed. See you next time right back here on Tracy's Place. Subscribe and like this video. All right, guys, see ya.